Unlike other hemostatic products available today, Woundclot has a multiple mechanism of action. When Woundclot contacts blood, it converts into a thick, tenacious, expanding gel adhering to wound surfaces. Woundclot doesn't require the application of manual pressure to be effective. Woundclot is highly absorbent and it will absorb up to 2,500% its weight in fluid. It also remains actively absorbent for up to 24 hours. Additionally, Woundclot will activate the two key clotting factors. Woundclot has a high safety profile and it can be used anywhere on the body and it requires little to no training to utilize effectively. So does Woundclot also work on the clotting cascade? It's one of the mechanisms of action utilized to achieve rapid hemostasis. Woundclot is engineered with the particular functional molecular groups that activate factors 11 and factors 12. Woundclot is easily removed from the wound by simply removing the clot. Rebleeding will not occur and any remaining gel can easily be irrigated out of the wound.